Let's solve the equation 3 raised to the power of x equals 27 step by step. To solve this equation, we need to find the value of x that makes 3 raised to the power of x equal to 27. This means we need to determine the number that, when placed in x's position, makes the equation true. First, let's review what it means to raise a number to a power. When we talk about 3 raised to the power of x, we mean multiplying the number 3 by itself x times. For example, 3 raised to the power of 2 means multiplying 3 by 3, which gives us 9. If we continue, 3 raised to the power of 3 would mean multiplying 3 by 3 by 3. Now we need to recall what the powers of 3 are. Let's list a few to see if we can find a pattern that helps us solve the equation. We start with 3 raised to the power of 1, which is just 3. Next, we have 3 raised to the power of 2, which is 3 times 3, resulting in 9. Let's go a bit further and calculate 3 raised to the power of 3. Here, we multiply 3 by 3 and then by 3 again. Let's pause for a moment to check. 3 times 3 is 9, and multiplying 9 by 3 again gives us 27. This is interesting because 27 is exactly the number we have in our original equation. So it seems we are on the right track. So far, we have identified that 3 raised to the power of 1 is 3, 3 raised to the power of 2 is 9, and 3 raised to the power of 3 is 27. This suggests that the power we are looking for, the one that makes 3 raised to the power of x equal to 27, is 3. But let's review once more, just to be sure. If 3 raised to the power of 2 is 9, and 3 raised to the power of 3 is 27, we are really saying that 3 multiplied by itself 3 times equals 27. This confirms that x must be 3. So to recap in a detailed and thorough manner, we analyzed what it means to raise 3 to different powers and verified that 3 raised to the power of 3 results in 27. Therefore, the value of x that solves the equation 3 raised to the power of x equals 27 is 3. Thus, the value of x we are looking for is 3. Let's recap once again to reinforce the process. First, we reviewed the concept of powers. Next, we listed the powers of 3 until we identified that 3 raised to the power of 3 is 27. Finally, we concluded that x equals 3 solves the equation. And this brings us to the end of our detailed solution.